Hello, I'm Brad Johnson, creator of the EQ method. The EQ method stands for Elimination-Query. What this method is designed to do is to strip away all of the impermanences within your being and aligning you into a natural state of being. Through this natural state of being, you are able to witness the elimination of all conflict issues that affect you physically, mentally, and emotionally within yourself. So after a short 1 minute of remaining in this state of being, you are seeing the dissolvement of all of these conflict issues right before your eyes, witnessing them and no longer rising again. So the Elimination-Query method, or the EQ method, is available for everybody. It simply entails having a 30-minute private session, either through Skype or through Google Hangouts or through Zoom or through any form of video software, and being able to have this 30-minute interaction with me where you are going through this step-by-step process and going through this elimination query, clearing away all conflict issues that you are able to discover within yourself, and then focusing on those areas and watching them dissolve as you work through the EQ method process. You'll find on the information page a free resource guide, a PDF, that can help you get started looking into certain emotional areas that you may be struggling with, and again, presenting that on the day of your session, and then we work together to help dissolve them all together through the EQ method, because it is all about utilizing the power of eternal happiness that you discover within yourself that completely eliminates all of the conflict issues through ignorance, through ego, and watching them dissolve before your eyes. So feel free to go to the website, check out the EQ method, where you can order now. And if you do have any questions regarding the EQ method further, feel free to contact me through my website, newearthteachings.com. Go to the contact page, and you can leave me a message there. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you through our EQ method session. Take care.